Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you the T-Mobile Sidekick phone reboot. The T-Mobile Sidekick was one of the most popular phones of the 2000s, known for its unique swivel screen and full keyboard that made texting fun and fast. A reboot of the Sidekick would bring back the classic design but with modern features. Imagine the same slide and flip style but now with a bright touchscreen, 5G connectivity and advanced cameras. It would keep the fun personality of the original while fitting today's smartphone standards. The Sidekick was always about communication, so the reboot could focus on social media, messaging apps, and video calling. With T-Mobile's fast 5G network, the phone could also handle streaming and gaming and multitasking. The physical keyboard could return for those who love real buttons instead of just touch typing. The reboot could also bring better battery life and USB-C charging. A bigger display with foldable or flip-style technology might be added to keep the design fresh. T-Mobile could include exclusive features like deep integration with its services or perks for Sidekick owners. The nostalgia factor would attract older fans, while younger users might see it as a cool, retro-inspired phone. It could even support stylus use for note-taking and creative tasks. Security and privacy would be upgraded compared to the older models. Cloud storage and app support would make it work like any other modern Android. Overall, a Sidekick reboot would mix an old-school charm with a modern smart power, making it a fun and unique option in today's phone market. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you guys have value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.